Showers of blessings today and always. Day 25 of the magic journey. Cue the magic. Today's practice, Cue the Magic, is one of my favorite practices. It's a game you play with the universe and it's a lot of fun. Imagine that the universe is friendly and caring and it always wants you to have whatever you want in life. But the universe can't just walk up and hand it to you. So it uses the law of attraction to give you signs and cues to help you receive your dreams. The universe knows you have to feel gratitude to bring forth your dreams. So it plays its part in the game by giving you personal cues to remind you to be grateful. It uses the people, circumstances, and events that surround you in your day as your magic cues to be grateful. It works like this. If you hear an ambulance siren, the magic cue from the universe is to be grateful for perfect health. If you see a police car, your magic cue is to be grateful for safety and security. If you see someone reading a newspaper, it's your magic cue to be thankful for great news. If you want to change the weight of your body, when you see another person with your perfect weight, it's your magic cue from the universe to be thankful for your perfect weight. If you want a romantic partner, when you see a couple madly in love, it's your magic cue to be grateful for the perfect partner. If you want to have a family, when you see babies and children, take the magic cue and be grateful for children. When you pass by your bank or an ATM, it's your magic cue to be grateful for plenty of money. When you arrive home, it's your magic cue to be grateful for your home. And when a neighbor calls in to have a cup of tea or you wave to them across the street, it's your magic cue to be grateful for your neighbors. If you happen to see one of your material desires on your list, such as your dream home, car, motorcycle, shoes, or computer, of course, it's your magic cue from the universe to be grateful for your desire now. When you begin a new day and someone says good morning, you're being given a magic cue to be grateful for the good morning. If you come across someone who's really happy, it's your magic cue to be grateful for happiness. And if you overhear another person saying thank you anywhere at any time, it's your magic cue to say thank you. When you receive a phone call from a friend or family member, it's a cue to be grateful for him or her. When someone says, "Isn't it a beautiful day?" it's a cue to be grateful for the beautiful weather where you live and for another beautiful day. If an appliance breaks down, it's a cue to be grateful for all the other appliances that are working perfectly. If a plant in your garden is struggling, it's a cue to be grateful for all the healthy plants in your garden. When you collect the mail, it's a cue to be grateful for the mail service and for unexpected checks. If a person you know comes down with a sickness, it's a cue to be grateful for their health and yours. To play Cue the Magic today, all you have to do is just be alert enough to take 7 magic cues from the universe during the day and give thanks for each one of them. If you have been following the daily magical practices over the last 24 days, you will have reached a point by now where you will be alert enough to notice the cues the universe is always giving to you. So, take note of at least 7 gratitude cues from the events in your day today. Have fun playing this magical practice It's very, very interesting. Make a list of 10 blessings and hold the magic rock in one hand and say the magic words. Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. You know why? Because you are amazing. Stay blessed. Thank you.